So, gustong bumili ni Josh
You
nito,
can play
guys.
Roblox with that.
Ayan yung price. 2,799 RM.
You can play with
So, naghahanap kami ng disc, guys. So, alam niyo ba kung magkano yung disc nila dito? Yung nilaro namin ni Josh. Ganito yung amount na nilaro namin ni Josh. 209 RM. So, in peso times 12, guys. And yung other games nila, yan, 399 RM. I-times nyo sa 12. So, ganito yung binili namin ni Josh. Oh, 249 RM. Hinahanap namin yung other games namin na pwede namin laruin, guys. Mahal kasi talaga yung mga tapes nila, lalo na pag original, guys, no? So, PS4 nga ito, oh. Yan. Pero yung PS5 nila, andito yung amount, oh. Gaya yan. Expensive, no? Ito, meron na kami nito. Spider-Man. Ito din, oh. Last of Us. 299 RM. Hinahanap ko yung sa billiard. Hindi ko mahanap, guys.
Oh, this is Tekken, ma.
Ito yung gustong bilhin ni
This is
Josh
what you
ngayon,
did.
guys. Oh.
This is what you said, ma.
Yan. Ha?
Tekken. You can also move.
Gusto ni Josh bilhin to, guys. Yan. Tapos ito.